What is up, guys? Today we will talk about how you guys can fix the InZOI DirectX 12 not supported on your system error. So whenever you try to run the InZOI game, it will tell you that you do not have DirectX 12. So how can you fix it? Well, first of all, you need to identify if your graphics card does have DirectX 12 or not. So for that, you just simply have to go to the search and simply search for run. Now, searching for run will bring you this run. Now, in this run, you simply have to type in dxdiag. So search for dxdiag and press OK. Once you do that, a dialog box will open up, which will look something like that. Now, here you just have to go to your display one. Now, going to the display one will bring you your graphics cards. Currently, in my case, I have two graphics cards. So as you can see, these are the things. Now, in both of these, just make sure that you have DirectX 12.2. As you can see, this is 12_2, which means the DirectX is installed. But in your case, if it is not there, it means you do not have DirectX 12, which is causing the issue. So what should you do in this case? In this case, you should go to Google and simply download the DirectX 12. So we just have to go to the Google, in the Google search for DirectX download. So simply search for that and you'll be able to download the DirectX. Just go to the first link and then download the DirectX as well. Just click on this download and then it will be downloaded and install it. However, if this thing doesn't fix the issue, there could be the graphics driver issue. So how can you do that? In this case, you just have to, check your graphics driver. So go to the search for device manager and then simply enter. Once you have your device manager, you just have to go to your display adapter. If you see your display adapter as your graphics card name and you still cannot run the game, it means you have the latest drivers, your graphics card had the drivers, but it doesn't run. However, if you see the basic display drivers, it means you do not have your graphics drivers. Just in case, if you are seeing your graphics card name and the game is not running, you can always try updating the driver because updating might fix the issue. So how can you update it? For that, just go to Google, search for your graphics card vendor name. Suppose my graphics card is from NVIDIA, so I'm just going to search for NVIDIA graphics driver, or just search for NVIDIA driver download or AMD drivers download, and then go to their respective website. Once you are on their website, they will want you to put the graphics driver name, graphics card name. So as you can see, let me just go back again and then accept all these cookies. Now here, what you have to do is you just have to, select your graphics card. So here I'm just going to search for my NVIDIA RTX and then simply I'm going to select whatever the graphics card that I have. Now I'm just going to search for notebook series because mine is laptop. And then you just have to search for 2000 series. Now you just have to search the one according to you and then download it. Once you do that, you'll be able to download the graphics driver, install it, and the error should be gone. Just in case if the error still persists, it means your graphics card does not support DirectX 12 and you won't be able to run that game. That's very much it. That's what you guys can do. Hope you guys find this very helpful.